Hey, what's up, guys? So, I did recently, and a lot of you guys have clicked on the hip hop and rap. And I mean, yeah, that's quite a lot of people. 85% are saying that they make hip hop and rap music. Now, guys, I don't know, but I think there's a lot of other genres here. I mean, cool, you make hip hop and rap, whatever, right? But just like someone commented here, that if you do hip hop production, you better come with the best because the competition is fierce. Yes, that's actually true. The competition definitely is fierce, and you have to kind of do something that's going to be really, really, I would say, very, very unique and different. And I don't know what else to do besides just like making better music, better beats. But I would say there's a lot of things that you need to sort of keep in mind and keep looking for newer artists on all these things. Now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that there are alternative platforms on the internet, and there's a ton of potential on these alternative platforms and how you can use them. If you use them properly, you're gonna get a ton of you're gonna get a ton of traction over there, as opposed to just sticking to YouTube and not doing anything else. I mean, you can do YouTube on the side, guys, but it's not the only thing in the world, right? It's not the only place where you can sell your instrumentals, sell your hip hop beats, as you guys said. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is going to be the sub niching of Fiverr. Now, I talk about a lot here on this channel that how important it is to niche, find your niche, right? So for example, you're making Juice WRLD type beat, just go for Juice WRLD type beat on your YouTube channel as well. Just go Juice WRLD type beat, right? Do not post anything else, otherwise the algorithm of YouTube, it's not gonna work as very as effectively as opposed to if you just do one tag and go hard on one tag. Now, there used to be a time where like you could go for 3-4 tags, 5 tags at a time, but I would say now it's so fierce, the competition. I can't even, it's very, very hard. So guys, that's why I'm a huge fan of Fiverr, and I'm a huge fan of alternative platforms where you can sell your instrumentals, sell your beats. So on Fiverr, even on Fiverr, you can sub niche, right? You can just go ahead and add some of that sub niching power of YouTube on Fiverr, right? So just someone here, when I searched for Juice WRLD, this popped up. It says, "I will make you a Juice WRLD type beat." Now this guy's charging $10. Let's just click on that one, and as we can see, this guy is charging $10 for one beat with tag. Okay, and I don't think it's gonna be an exclusive beat, so I don't know. If you click on the standard one, he's standing 10 untagged beats for 180. I don't know if it's exclusive. I don't think it's exclusive, but you can just go ahead and top this competition, and you guys can go ahead and just I will make you an exclusive Juice WRLD type beat, right? So you can go for that exclusive tag and just top this competition up, right? You guys can go ahead and this guy's first in the search, right? He's the first one, and you can make an exclusive Juice WRLD type beat, right? For example, if you're making Juice WRLD type beat, like a lot of you guys have said, you make hip hop. So if you're making Juice WRLD type beat, you can go ahead and name your gig, "I will make you an exclusive Juice WRLD type beat," right? So this guy's making Juice WRLD type beat, but I don't think it's exclusive, and it's not saying somewhere. He's not mentioning that he's putting exclusive tags. Exclusive beats. So you can actually go ahead and top that up and just make exclusive beat for an artist, right? And this is how you actually go ahead and gonna get a lot of people to click on your gig, right? For example, this guy's making I will write a Juice WRLD song. He's actually making a Juice WRLD complete song. So he's writing a song, right? And if you can actually do that, that's going to be even better, right? Because a lot of people want to write some songs. Right? You don't have to sing, you don't have to record your vocals sometimes. This guy's actually doing it, but if you are a songwriter, you know how to write songs, you can definitely go ahead and go to that route. Now guys, you can go ahead and learn a lot of you can just go ahead and top this competition, and this guy's getting a lot of sales, right? As you can see, 61 people have actually hit the 5-star rating. Almost 5-star he has. Now you can top this competition and make exclusive Juice WRLD type beat. If you're making Juice WRLD type beat, go ahead and run a gig. You can run multiple gigs at the same time on Fiverr. That's the best part about Fiverr. You don't have to make another new channel. You don't have to make a new, like on YouTube you have to sort of see, you have to make sure you only run one type gig. On Fiverr you don't have to worry about that. You can just run multiple gigs at the same time, right? This guy's probably also running different gigs, I'm not sure, but yeah, you can go ahead and run multiple gigs at the same time, and that's gonna be really, really good, right? All right guys, so the next way I'm gonna be showing you how to gain more sales is gonna be sending out loops and samples to already established bigger producers, right? So in your style, if you're making Juice WRLD type beats, you already know how to make Juice WRLD type loops, right? You already know how to make Juice WRLD samples. So if you're gonna be sending some of these samples to these guys here, for example, Sogimura here, one of the really, really good producers, and his beats are great, right? You can go ahead and click on their Instagram, or go to their just go to their email and go ahead and email them, or DM them on Instagram, right? So you want to sort of send them a message and say, hey, I have some loops that you may like, and here are the loops that I'm going to be sending you. If you want some loops, you can go ahead and use them in the future. So now you want to send these loops to as many people as possible. Now I'm not going to cover this whole process, but I probably will make a whole video about this, but for now just go ahead and understand that you can sort of go ahead and send some good quality loops to established producers, right? Those producers who are already getting a lot of traction. So for example, Noria here, another really popular producer, and one of my personal favorite producers on this platform, really. So I really like this guy's beats. I really like the style that he has, and you can go ahead and sort of go to his email, right, and maybe go to his Instagram, and then just go ahead and DM this guy, right, and say, hey, I would love to send you some loops here, and we can go ahead and do 50-50 in the sales of the beat that is going to be made, or I can send you my own beat, like full beat, right? You can also send full beats to these producers because they don't really have that much of a time to sort of go ahead and make a lot of beats, right? And if they can agree with that, but I don't know. You can go ahead and sort of message them and ask, and hey man, if you don't have the time, you just go ahead and search some of the producers that are not posting as much. You guys can go ahead and sort of message them and say, hey, I see you're not posting that much. Maybe you don't have the time. If you don't have the time, I can send you my own beats, but I'm gonna take 50%, and I'm gonna be asking you to sort of give me 50%, right? And you can just put it on your store or your YouTube page, and they're gonna be very, very happy to hear that, because sometimes they don't really have the time. Sometimes they don't have that kind of motivation left, right, to make beats. But you can go ahead and come handy over there, and it's better to gain 50% of something that's going to be a bigger number than putting on your channel, getting 100% but not really selling as much. So if you get the point here. Alright guys, this is going to be it for this video, and I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe and share this video with a friend. comment what you have in mind, and I hope to do more of these videos, and do more in-depth tutorials of what I explained in this whole video. Now, I haven't really gone too deep into into all the other processes that I talked about. For example, is sending beats out to other producers. Now, this is a whole video on its own, but it's gonna take some time. But I will try to make a full video out of that in the future if it's gonna be possible, right? So you guys go ahead and hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss out on any future videos that I'm going to be posting. I'm going to be posting some more videos that are going to be really helpful. And if there's any questions you have, you just go ahead and ask, and I will try my best to reply. All right, see you guys next time.